Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana for project management. Asana is a powerful tool that helps you organize tasks, track progress, and keep your entire team aligned on project goals. Let's walk through setting up a complete project from scratch. First, look at the left sidebar of your Asana workspace and locate the plus button next to Work. Click on it, and from the options that appear, select Blank Project. This gives you a fresh canvas to build your project exactly how you need it. You'll now see a field asking for your project name. Type Website Redesign Project into the project name field. This name should clearly reflect what you're working on so team members can identify it instantly. Once you've entered the name, click Continue to move forward. Next, you'll be asked to choose how you want to visualize your project. Select the board layout option. The board view is excellent for visualizing different stages of your project at a glance, making it easy to see what's happening in each phase. After selecting your layout, click Create Project to finalize the setup. Now it's time to structure your project into manageable phases. Click plus Add section to create columns that represent your project phases. Start by creating 3 sections: planning, development, and launch. These sections will serve as containers for related tasks, keeping everything organized and easy to navigate. Under the planning section, click plus Add Task to start adding specific tasks. Create tasks like define website goals, create sitemap, and set project timeline. These foundational tasks ensure everyone understands the project scope before diving into execution. Move to the development section and click plus Add Task. Again, here add tasks such as develop homepage, implement contact form, and test website functionality. These are the core execution tasks where the actual work happens. In the launch section, click plus Add Task one more time to add final stage tasks like deploy website, announce launch, and monitor post-launch issues. These tasks ensure a smooth rollout and proper follow-up. Now that your tasks are created, it's crucial to set deadlines. Click on each task, then click Due Date and select the appropriate deadline. Setting due dates creates accountability and helps everyone stay on schedule. Finally, use the top menu to switch between board and list views. The board view shows your project visually by stages, while the list view displays everything in a linear format. Switching between these views helps you track progress from different perspectives. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.